Good morning again to you, Leanne. Thank you so much for that introduction. Yes, we're coming to you live from Upington. A little bit later today, President Jacob Zuma will officially open that placard there. You can see the green curtain. What he'll do is just move that curtain aside and dedicate this hospital to the people of Upington. And it will be a momentous occasion for them. It will be significant because previously the people in this area had to deal with an overcrowded facility in the form of Gordini Hospital. It was quite crowded. They had long queues there and limited resources and limited facilities there. But now they wake up to business unusual. You can see the doors have opened there. It's all systems go. The nurses have assembled. They're singing in a jubilation and celebration, as you can imagine. The facility has been operational for a few months now, but in small capacity, sections of it have been open. Today, though, in its mass, in its numbers, it will be open. All the facilities will be made use of. You can see the nurses and the visuals of the nurses singing and dancing, and of course we'll be addressing some issues as well with regard to service at public hospitals. But that discussion is for much later with Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, the health minister. Right now, though, let's speak to the local mayor of Upington now, Mayor Limakatso. Koloi, a very good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Ayanda, and good morning to the viewers outside there.
I must tell everybody that you cautioned me this morning saying, Ayanda, ons praat Afrikaans here in Upington. I must tell you, my Afrikaans is nie baie goed nie, so it's going to be a disaster. We'll have to stick to English. But how does this new facility, this R1 billion state-of-the-art facility, change dynamics in Upington?
No, thank you very much, Ayanda. Ayanda, in the past we used to use the Koloi Hospital, which is a little bit outside of the town. This one is very unique. It is in the center of our people. It's a walking distance, and really is also, I'm staying at a rural area within this town, 15 kilometers from here, and but it's near the taxi rank as well. So when you jump off the taxi, it's a walking distance. From the taxi rank, you can see it's in the center of our suburbs, our townships, everywhere. And really, it is a blessing for us, for the people of Upington, to have this kind of hospital in this area.
You know, you say it's in the heart of where the people are. It's quite significant because many people in this area might feel perhaps, this is too good for us and we'll never be able to attain such standards of luxury for ordinary human beings. What's the ripple effect likely to have in the greater society, in the psyche of the people in Upington as well?
Ayanda, the very good thing is that when you got an emergency, then it's no more that you must wait for an ambulance for maybe an hour or half an hour, 2 hours. You can just take the person in a car and bring it here. Of the hospital, the ambulance is within 5 minutes there. Bring the people to the hospital and the issue has been addressed. So for us in Upington, especially as the political leadership, we are very, very pleased. We are happy because as a councillor, you are a basket full of different fruits. You must be a doctor, policeman, everything, and this hospital is really a blessing to us as leaders in this town, and we must really thank the government of the day, which has put this kind of hospital in the center of our people.
Speaking to some of the residents at Upington yesterday, I asked them about the previous facility they used to use, Gordini, and juxtaposed it with this one and asked them, what do you think of the new structure? The one word that came up often was big. Everybody said, this is just so big. This is such a bigger facility. Tell us a little bit about the services that will be offered here.
What is really blessing us here is our people, they have no more to go to Kimberley or to Bloemfontein to get their tertiary specialist treatment. They can get it here in Upington. In the past, our people used to travel from here to Bloemfontein or to Kimberley. Yet the hospital is not really fully operational now, but we can feel the difference as the inhabitants of Upington, the community, because when you think that your family have to go to Kimberley, then you know it's already operational, everything is in order. So for us, really, it is a blessing.
We'll have to leave it there for now. Thank you so much. The mayor of Upington, Limakatso, Koloi, thank you so much again for your time. And as we wrap this interview, this hospital has been called unique. It's been called a game changer. Just one of the facilities, a high-tech X-ray machine that's been called revolutionary by medical specialists. So we'll be speaking about those issues a little bit later, the technical aspects of it all. The project manager will be joining us as well, but we'll also be speaking about issues of, like I said, the human resources, the nurses, and support also, and safety and security, and how those aspects have been dealt with. So all of that and more coming up a little bit later.